provided the platform as a service features. So if you see this, I'm just going to take you to a web page quickly where you can see the complete Microsoft stack, how they have categorized things. So here is where the complete Microsoft stack is. You can see Windows Azure gives you huge set of features. It gives you cloud services, websites, mobile services which are recently launched under compute, and other things like app services, Azure directory, caching. So it gives you a complete stack of services required from platform to software. So Windows Azure, basically when it was launched as platform as a service, focusing key on the cloud services, the storage that you have here, the SQL data storage that you have, SQL reporting. So these are the key things which were launched where you talk about Windows Azure as a platform as a service. However, when this platform matured, there was a need felt to also provide the infrastructure as a service on Windows Azure. And that is the time when we had the connect services, you have virtual network, and you have virtual machines. So these are the key components which fall under infrastructure as a service component of Windows Azure. I repeat, connect, virtual network, and virtual machines are those key components of Windows Azure platform, which comes under your infrastructure as a service. So that's the focus of today's session. I'm sure this was dealt in depth in the overview session which was done on Friday. So I don't repeat the same thing again, but however, I'll focus on the IIS features that we intend to do so in this particular session. So coming to the first topic for the day, that is from an IIS stack of Windows Azure, you have virtual network. All of us have worked on networking. We know what a network means. We have seen our companies setting up networking details for us. However, when I say virtual network, this basically is a virtual private network on the Microsoft Cloud. This component deals with how to manage your virtual private network on the Windows Azure. The virtual network really helps you to set connectivity between two sites. When I say two sites, one site could be on the cloud, other side could be on premise. So that's where virtual network component acts as a very, very secure link between your Windows Azure platform and on-premise network. There are other components which allows you, instead of a site-to-site connectivity, there are other components which allows you to do a point-to-point connectivity, a PC-to-PC connectivity. And that component of Windows Azure is Azure Connect. I repeat, that is called as Azure Connect. But currently that is in CTP, and there are no much concrete plans of taking that product to release. So to focus on site-to-site connectivity, virtual network is one of the best solutions that Microsoft provides you to create a virtual private network. You can have your own address space. You can specify, I'll show you a demo on that. You can specify how to create your own address space, which is a private address space on your cloud, and then use that address space to host your virtual machines onto it. So we're going to do a demo, complete demo on that. One thing when as an architect, we have to decide how the topology of virtual network will be, because currently the way it is designed is once you start deploying virtual machines onto the network, on this virtual network, it slightly becomes difficult. So it's a word of caution to be very, very sure of what you're going to create, what kind of network you're going to create, because changing the topology later after installing or deploying the virtual machines is a big tedious activity. So that's something that one should be taking care of. So what are different scenarios where you feel you can use this? Obviously, the first scenario that could come to your mind when you see the second bullet on the slide is, if I need a hybrid scenario where I want to I want to have connectivity between my existing on-premise setup and to have a virtual network on the cloud, definitely this is a very effective solution to build hybrid solutions on the cloud. Along with this, if you want to expand your data center, so today we have maintenance issues, we have space issues, we have security issues on your on-premise networks. So expanding your data center to the cloud becomes very, very easy, and if you architect it properly, it also is a cost-effective solution. There were some recent revisions which happened to the virtual network management portal, which is on Windows Azure. So currently this product that I'm talking about, virtual network, is into preview. So that's why I thought everyone here hearing to this webinar should quickly have early say or early scenario on how this virtual network works. It's free, currently it's free as it's in preview, but the plans of Microsoft are to charge it at 5 cents per connection hour. When I say 5 cents per VPN connection hour, basically if there are 5 nodes connecting to the network over VPN, so it becomes 5 cents into 5, so that will cost you 25 cents per hour. So the pricing mechanism for virtual network is based on connection hour in your VPN. But as of now, you can enjoy it free. There is no official date as of now when this product will be going into release version, but very soon it should happen, and after that the charging will start. So let's see a quick demo on how things work for this. So